Hello class, this is a video tutorial on the cosine rule. In this video we'll be applying the cosine rule to calculate missing angles. In a non-right angle triangle, the cosine rule can be applied to calculate a missing angle, this one here, given all three sides. So in this triangle it may look like A, B, and C are just letters, but in order for this to work, we must be given the values of A, B, and C. The formula for the cosine rule of missing angles is as follows, this one here on top. Cos C equals A squared plus B squared minus C squared all over 2AB. If you're wondering where this formula comes from, it is actually just a rearrangement of the missing side formula where we've made cosine C the subject. Well, let's just get straight into it and apply this to our two triangles in this example here. Alright, let's get straight to it. So in this case, I want to calculate theta. So let's have this as cosine theta. Cosine theta equals A squared plus B squared, the two adjacent sides first. So it's going to be 15 squared minus plus 19.2 squared minus the opposite side to the angle, so 17.4 squared all over 2 times AB. So 2 times 15 times 19.2. Substituting all this into our calculator, we will get 15 squared plus 19.2 squared minus 17.4 squared all over, so I should put that in the bracket, 2 times 15 times 19.2. This gives us 0.505. However, this is not the angle, this is just the ratio of cosine. To solve for theta, we take the inverse cosine of both sides, so theta is equal to cosine inverse cos of 0.505. This gives us 59.66 degrees, which will just round off to the nearest whole degree of 60 degrees. Moving right along, let's apply it one more time. You can pause the video and give this a go yourself, but I'm going to be solving it right now. So we're solving for phi. Cosine of phi is equal to A squared plus B squared, 22.1 squared minus C squared, which is always opposite the missing angle, so 20 squared all over 2 times 18 times 22.1. Evaluating that first. 18 squared, 22.1 squared minus 20 squared all over 2 times 18 times 22.1. This gives us 0.51833. And to calculate for phi, we take the inverse cosine of both sides. So cosine inverse 0.51833. And for this, I'm just going to take this answer and take the inverse cosine of that, which gives us 58.777, and we'll just round this off and approximately 59 degrees. So I hope that gave you an insight into applying the cosine rule to calculate missing angles. Hope to see you in the next video. Best of luck.